Customers around the nation are seeing profound results from the ViSalus ViPak. Simply put, the ViPak Advanced Anti-Aging and Energy System is the most comprehensive and complete health system available today.
I thank Dr. Seidman for coming out with the ViPak because it's just absolutely amazing.
Knowing that the fast-paced lifestyle many of us lead today makes it almost impossible to get the nutrients we need, wouldn't you feel better knowing that you're providing your body with the fuel you deserve every day?
Since I've been on the ViPak, I've been able to have more energy. I stay up. When I come home from work, I'm not going to sleep. I'm with my family. My husband and I, we have a lot more time together. And I've lost 7 dress sizes.
The ViSalus ViPak combines 4 unique components that have a synergistic effect to energize, vitalize, and rejuvenate your body around the clock. A potent anti-aging and energy formula is the headliner of the ViPak, having been awarded a government patent for its ability to help with cellular repair at a mitochondrial level.
Stated simply, it slows the aging process and extends the lifespan and efficiency of cells throughout your body. Pretty interesting science, isn't it?
The ViPak also boasts a multi-mineral and vitamin formula that has been chelated to dramatically improve absorption, and a supercharged 26 antioxidant blend to protect cells throughout your body from damaging free radical attacks. Finally, a double distilled omega oil supplement has been shown to improve everything from cognitive function to healthier hair, nails, and skin, thanks to a proprietary blend of essential oils.
Who wants to turn their medicine cabinet into a pharmacy? And why take generic store-bought pills every day that are probably just going straight through you? Just take the AM packet in the morning and the PM packet in the evening, and let the ViPak science and simplicity show you how your body is supposed to feel every day.
In addition to the ViPak, a huge demand has been created for new ViSalus Neuro, a healthy alternative to the high-sugar, high-caffeine energy drinks that are flooding the market today.
My favorite thing about the Neuro is not only is it simple, but it works. It gives you more energy through the day, and it's a nice stable energy, not a hyper energy.
With less than 1 gram of sugar, only 5 calories, and all natural color and flavor, Neuro's patent-pending herb blend gives you smart energy without the jitters. Whether you try the raspberry or the lemon drink mix, there's no better way to give yourself the brain food and a gentle lift of energy needed to maximize your day. ViSalus has also just released the Trim Slim Shape program, a clinically proven and patent-pending solution to weight loss that's easy to use and tastes great.
It has completely changed my life because I have 3 kids, and I was at the point where I had, gained or kept on a couple of pounds from each one, and it's just like, okay, it's time to become this trim, slim shaped woman that, I was back in college. And so got on it, started on it, I lost a total of 12 pounds, I've kept it all off, I feel great, I have all this energy, and the main thing about this diet is that you're not hungry, and it's completely changed my life.
The ViSalus Trim Slim Shape program targets the 3 most common challenges in weight management, so you can lose the weight and keep it off. ViShape provides heart-healthy nutrition while helping you cut calories.
This is really unique stuff. I've been in the industry for 25 years, and you are getting the best of the best.
ViSlim helps boost your sluggish metabolism.
When you're losing weight, you want to burn fat, but you want to keep your metabolism up. So we came up with a new formulation at ViSlim, which burns the fat and boosts your metabolism.
ViTrim helps with one of the key reasons diets fail. It controls the hunger, stress, and mood swings of dieting.
We came up with this, and you're going to absolutely love this. Put this in your water bottle, take it on an empty stomach, and you will feel the difference.
With the TSS program, it only takes 3 simple steps to let the real you show through.
Nothing is more valuable than your health, and ViSalus is proud to help people around the world feel better and make healthier choices for themselves each and every day.